Every living thing needs energy. Certain organisms use energy from the sunlight to produce their own food. Hi, and welcome back. In today's science episode, I will talk about photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Sources of energy. The process by which a cell captures energy in sunlight and uses it to make food is called photosynthesis. The term photosynthesis comes from the Greek words photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means putting together. Nearly all living things obtain energy either directly or indirectly from the energy of sunlight captured during photosynthesis. Plants manufacture their own food through the process of photosynthesis. An organism that makes its own food is called an autotroph. An organism that cannot make its own food is called a heterotroph. Many heterotrophs obtain food by eating other organisms. The two stages of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants and some other organisms use energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and sugars. You can think of photosynthesis as taking place in two stages. Number one, capturing the sun's energy, and the second, producing sugars. Stage 1. Capturing the sun's energy. In plants, this energy capturing process occurs mostly in the leaves. Recall that chloroplasts are green organelles inside plant cells. The green color comes from pigments, color chemical compounds that absorb light. The main photosynthetic pigment in chloroplasts is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll functions in a manner similar to that of the solar cells in a solar power calculator. Solar cells capture the energy in light and use it to power the calculator. Similarly, chlorophyll captures light's energy and uses it to power the second stage of photosynthesis. Stage 2. Using energy to make food. In the next stage of photosynthesis, the cell uses the captured energy to produce sugars. The cell needs two raw materials for this stage, water and carbon dioxide. In plants, the roots absorb water from the soil. The water then moves up through the plant stem to the leaves. Carbon dioxide is one of the gases in the air. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through small openings on the undersides of the leaves called stomata. Once in the leaves, the water and carbon dioxide move into the chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, the water and carbon dioxide undergo a complex series of chemical reactions. The reactions are powered by the energy captured in the first stage. These reactions produce chemicals as products. One product is a sugar that has 6 carbon atoms. 6 carbon sugars have the chemical formula that you can see here. Recall that sugars are a type of carbohydrate. Cells can use the energy in the sugar to carry out important cell functions. The other product of photosynthesis is oxygen, which exits the leaf through the stomata. In fact, almost all the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere was produced by living things through the process of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis equation. The events of photosynthesis can be summed up by the following chemical equation. Notice that the raw materials, 6 molecules of carbon and 6 molecules of water, are on the left side of the equation. The products, 1 molecule of sugar and 6 molecules of oxygen, are on the right side of the equation. An arrow, which you can read as yields, connects the raw materials to the product. Light energy, which is necessary for the chemical reaction to occur, is written above the arrow. What happens to the sugar produced in photosynthesis? Plant cells use some of the sugar for food. The cells break down the sugar molecules to release the energy they contain. This energy can then be used to carry out the plant's functions. Some sugars molecules are converted into other compounds such as cellulose. Other sugar molecules may be stored in the plant cells for later use. When you eat food from plants such as potatoes or carrots, you're eating the plant's stored energy.
I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and until the next one. Bye!